Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you could please just excuse the mess if you see the mess behind me. I'm in the middle of trying to get rid of a lot of stuff that I don't need or use anymore, and it's pretty much just a mess in this room. So now that I'm past that, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Just Nutritive Sunless Tanning Lotion. You guys know that I have mentioned Just Natural, Just Nutritive products in a lot of my videos because I absolutely love their products. So I have done reviews and tutorials on how to use their Grow New Hair Serum, and I've also done several reviews on lots of other products of theirs. So if you're interested in watching any of those videos, I will post all the links down below in the description bar. You can just open up the little description and you'll see the links to the other videos there. So this is one product that I've literally been dying to get my hands on, and just recently they was doing a 20% off coupon promotion. Hello? I know y'all know I'm making a video. Every time I talk, these birds just want to talk more and more. So as I was saying, they were doing a 20% off coupon promotion. So I was like, you know what? I'm dying for this product. They got a coupon going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of it. So I put an order in like literally just a few days ago, and it came in the mail super quick, which I was really impressed with. So this is a sunless tanning lotion. It's not a product that you put outside before you lay out or go into the tanning bed. This is a sunless tanning lotion, which means when you apply it, it's going to give you a fake tan. So even though I'm pretty light skinned, I chose the dark tones sunless tanning lotion in hopes that it would make me like super dark, which sometimes isn't always the case. I think if you're lighter skinned, you need to go for light and medium tones. And then for darker, you would go for the darker tones, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a chance anyway. So this says it's handmade with fresh ingredients. All of their products are amazing, and they are all made with all natural ingredients that are so good for your skin. So this says moisturize, protect, and give your skin the even glow it deserves. This is a tinted lotion formulated with gentle tropical ingredients. Everything you need to achieve sun-kissed skin in this bottle. So seeing as I've never used this product before and it is white, there's no color guide, I decided just to try it on my legs today before I did my entire body just to see how it works. So earlier after I got out of the shower, I applied this all over my legs, which I will show you here right now. So basically, like I said, this is just a white lotion, as you can see here. So when you're applying it, there is no color guide. You just have to pretty much apply it and hope that you got every inch of your body, which wasn't hard because this lotion was pretty thick. And so you kind of knew like where you were putting it and making sure you wasn't missing any spots because it's thick. So this says you can apply it to the face and body as desired, as you would with a moisturizing lotion. So basically you just apply it just as you would any moisturizer. It says to allow to dry completely before dressing. You will begin to see development of color within 12 to 24 hours. So this is not an instant color. This is not a you can shower after 4 to 6 hours. This says development of color within 12 to 24 hours. So it's been about 4 hours. It only took about 20 minutes for it to pretty much dry on my skin. To maintain or deepen your desired shade of tan, reapply 1 to 2 times a week or continue to use once a day until you've reached your desired level of tan, then maintain as needed. So this would kind of be on the lines of the Jergens GRADUAL tanner. I have used that product in the past and I actually really liked it, but I see this all over the internet and I've always been dying to try it, so that's why I did. Anyways, so there's no color yet that I'm aware of. I mean, I look the same color as I did before. I'm going to throw in a before shot of my legs, and then by tomorrow I will show you the after and we'll see what the difference is. Like I said, this is the dark tones, so I'm hoping it gives me a really good tan. If not, I guess I'm just going to continue to use it until I turn the color that I want to turn, because it does say to reapply it 1 to 2 times a week, so we'll see. Overall, the consistency was really nice. It's thick, it's moisturizing, it felt really good on my skin, didn't take that long to absorb like I said. It is lightly scented. A lot of their products have a very natural scent because it's made with all these natural, good for you ingredients. This one has coconut in it, olive oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel oil. It's just got all kinds of good stuff. Even jojoba oil, so good for your skin. So it's super moisturizing. It went on nicely. I feel like it applied pretty evenly, dried pretty quickly, but now I just have to wait and see what the color is like. So like I was saying, it's lightly scented. I smell some citrus, a little lemon. It's not overpowering. It's not that bad at all. It's just lightly scented. Like there's a little bit of earthiness in there, but a little bit of lemon too. So I like the scent. Overall, I think it smells pretty good, and I guess I will see the results tomorrow and I will share them with you. I hope this goes well because I've heard a lot of good things about this product. This company has like just tons of amazing products you guys should check out. I will post a link to the website down below so you can browse through. They've got stuff for anti-aging, hair products. They've even got dog products. So yeah, anyways, okay, so I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Also, had no problems with staining of the hands because it was a white lotion. Like I said, there was no color guide, so there was no staining, and I just washed my hands immediately after. So hopefully tomorrow my legs are gonna be pretty tanned, and then I will feel confident enough to do the rest of my body, but I just wanted to test out my legs for now. Anyways, I will check back in with you guys tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so it is officially the next day. So when I first woke up, I recorded what my legs look like so you could see what they look like the morning after. I feel like once I took a shower, it kind of washed off just a tiny bit, which I actually think it needed because there was such a big color difference. I think if you're light skinned, you should go for the lighter tones, and I mean, if you're darker and you want to be even darker, then go for the dark tones. Or if you're medium, maybe dark tones would be good for you. I was pretty light when I put it on, so I feel like it made a really big difference. One thing I wish I would have done was not put as much product. Where this cream is white and it just feels like you're putting on a lotion, I think it's easy to not really think about what you're doing. So I put a lot of the product on yesterday because it was my first time using it anyway. But I feel like I may have put too much, and I wish I wouldn't have put too much. I would definitely recommend to be very careful on dry spots and on your feet. I normally try not to do my feet really, but I wanted to test out this product on my feet. So looking at my feet right now, I can see like the white in between my toes where I didn't put the lotion. So for a gradual tanner, this gave some extreme color, which I was not expecting because you know, it says to reapply it every day until you reach your desired level of shade, but I think where I got the dark tones, that may be why it ended up so dark. I should have went for the light. So as of right now, we have white sheets on our bed, and there was no color transfer because it is a white lotion and it's a gradual tanner, so there was no staining on my sheets. Citrus scent did fade by the end of the day, and it ended up just kind of lightly smelling like a self tanner. One thing I really liked about it was when I went to bed last night, I didn't have any issues with my legs being too lotiony. I don't know why, but I get really hot at night when I'm sleeping and my legs get kind of sweaty. I know that's kind of gross, ew. But it's true. So I don't ever like having lotion on when I go to bed. Like if I lotion early in the day, I will wipe my legs off, wash my legs to get that lotion off before I get into bed because I don't want to end up sweating in the middle of the night or getting overheated. So I didn't wash this off last night because I wanted to, you know, wait the full 12 to 24 hours, and I was surprised. My legs were not greasy or lotiony or sweaty at all. So that was good. So I do have to say, when I walked outside earlier, I was shocked at the color on my foot. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna be wearing sandals today. So I'm thinking next time I try this out, I may dilute it a little bit, kind of mix some of it with a regular lotion and see if that would work better. I think I just put way too much on my feet. I think I'm gonna give you guys a view of what my legs look like outside. I am wearing pants right now, but I'm gonna roll them up a little bit and show you what the color looks like outside, so let's go. And this is just inside when I first walk in my door. Lighting's kind of different than in my room. So overall, would I purchase this product again? Yes, I would, because I feel like it did give a really good color and it was non-greasy, it absorbed quickly, and I like that. The only thing I would change about my next purchase would be a lighter tone. And I'm also thinking whenever I go to use it on my entire body, I'm not going to use as much product and I'm possibly going to dilute it. Maybe just with another plain white non-scented lotion. I am super curious to see what it's gonna look like on my face, so maybe I will do my entire body and my face in the future, and then, you know, feel free to ask me anytime, like, how's that working for you? So anyways, overall, I really like this product. I think it made a huge difference in color, but yeah, need to go for a lighter shade, possibly dilute it or not use as much product. So as I mentioned before, Just Natural, Just Nutritive, they have some amazing products. I'm gonna post my other reviews down below if you wanna check them out. Also, I will link the website down below, and right now they're having a coupon code that's only gonna last for the next few days. Although they have coupon codes often, usually they have, like, you know, a little special coupon code. So right now they're having 20% off, and I'm pretty sure it's Save 20 now. I could be wrong. So make sure and look in the description just in case I'm wrong about that, because it's possible that it might be. Okay, anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye.